Hi, today I show you a Erard La Sportive automatic men's watch. Okay, with very good price. Very good price. So this is like I said, it's Erard La Sportive men's automatic watch. Retail price for this model $2,300. Online store price much better, approximately like $500, with a discount around maybe 80% from retail price. So this is automatic movement, and watch have stainless steel case and stainless steel bracelet, size 42 millimeters and thickness about 11 millimeters, white dial color, bold markers, Arabic numerals, bezel bi-directional, mean different, but internal, not like usually, you know, you can't move here, but you can use this one. Okay, this is a sapphire, solid back, and water have 100 meters of water resistant. Okay, and deployment clasp type, like that, with stainless steel. Okay, and we'll try 1, 2. Heavy. Watch data, day, some D. Looks like French. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. Yes, this is Dimanche. This is not English. This is French. Okay. Only 7 days. 7 words, and it's no difficult. Remember. Okay, and I turn off light and we will check this watch in night. Yeah, very bright. Looks cool. So this was Erard La Sportive, and please subscribe for channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.